In any chemical reaction, there is always a reactant that gets completely used up, completely consumed after some time. And that reactant actually limits the amount of the product formed. Such a reactant is known as limiting reagent. We name it as reagent. Limiting reagent. Why the term reagent? Because it limits the amount of the product formed. It is actually ruling the reaction. Next, in excess reagent or excess reactant is the term that is used. The reactant other than the limiting reagent that is in excess is known as excess reagent or excess reactant also it is known as. So one application of this concept I am going to give you. This is a numerical based on the concept limiting reagent and excess reactant. As for the reaction, we can see A plus B2 forms AB2. So this is 1 mole of A, 1 mole of B2 and 1 mole of AB2 that it is forming. Now we have to find whether any limiting reagent is there or not when 300 atoms of A reacts with 200 molecules of B. Here we can see that this molecule of B means B is a diatomic one. So this is equivalent to B2 because it is diatomic. So if it is 1 mole of B2 reacting with 1 mole of A, then we can say that 200 molecules of B, 200 molecules of B that exist as B2 will obviously react with 200 atoms of A. This will react with 200 atoms of A, because here again I will say A is shown as monoatomic. So if I consider molecule also, then it will be monoatomic. So I can say what? 200 molecules of B, which is a diatomic one, B2, it reacts with 200 atoms of A. 200 molecule is only supplied, so this will get used up because that is how much it is supplied. So this is your limiting reagent, and it will actually use 200 atoms of A, but supplied is 300 atoms, so A will remain excess. And how much is the excess amount? That is 300 minus 200 atoms. That much will be remaining excess. Next part, 100 atoms of A when supplied with 100 molecules of B. See, this is actually a stoichiometric mixture. So there will be no limiting reagent. Both will react completely, because 100 molecules here of B will react completely with 100 atoms. The third part, 2.5 moles of A reacts with supplied with 5 moles of B. Here we can see that 1 mole of B that is existing as B2 reacts with 1 mole of A. So if 2.5 moles of A is supplied, that will obviously react with 2.5 moles of B. This 2.5 moles of B. So supplied is 2.5 moles of A and it reacts completely. So at that time A will be the limiting reagent and 5 moles of B is supplied, but only 2.5 mole of B will react with 2.5 mole of A. So as per the supplied quantity 5 mole, 2.5 mole of B will remain as excess.